Hey guys, what's up? It's Anaya, and welcome back to another video. So, in my last video, this one, you might have noticed that I have a very weird personality, and that's just me. I'm just being myself. So, what I decided to do in this video, since it's been very popular in my opinion, and I watch it and try to make it at times, but sometimes it'll fail and sometimes it won't. I will be showing you how to make ice with juice in it. So, what you're gonna need is, just stop right there for just one more second until I move on what you need. Some of you may not know what ice eating is, or probably you don't have Instagram because that's where it all started, that's where it became popular, or you haven't seen it here on YouTube. So I'm just gonna show you just a tiny little clip on ice eating, and I'm so sorry that it took about 30 seconds explaining what ice eating is, but here's just a little 15-second clip of ice eating. You're welcome. Okay, back to what you need. You are going to need a cup or any kind of container to put your ice in. You're gonna need some water, and coloring is optional. For the freezing instructions. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna follow these instructions right here. And the reason why I want you guys to follow these instructions is because we all have different freezers and they all freeze at different times. So at the top right here is an hour and 15 minutes. And if that doesn't work, freeze it for an hour and 30 minutes. So an hour ago, I made ice, so I have already prepared for this video. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait another, let's see, 27 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out. And that time, we are gonna wash dishes and watch TV. Right, Peanut? All right. Say, back to the transition to where she washes the dishes.
We were best friends. I mean, I knew everything about this girl. I knew her favorite color. I knew her favorite food. Yeah.
So it is done, and now we are going to try it out. Let me go get the ice. So here it is in all its glory, and you can see the water in it. So this. First, we're gonna loosen it. Make sure we don't break anything. No, Peanut, this isn't for you. This is for my YouTube video. There it is. Let me get a plate. So if you want to try this recipe out for yourself, go ahead and do it. Add some Kool-Aid or some flavoring and you'll be good. Alright, so it's the next day after shooting that ice eating video. And I didn't get to finish my outro because my dad was coming inside the house, so I had to stop recording. But anyways, all I wanted to say was thank you guys so much for watching. And if you did, like this video and comment down below what you want to see on my next video so I know what kind of content you guys want to see. But anyways, I will see you guys the next time I upload. And have an amazing Tuesday, because that's when I posted it, but this is gonna be on Wednesday, but I'm gonna post it right now. So yeah, bye you guys, love you. Mwah.